My beautiful and amazing people, yes, so they say what God cannot do does not exist. When somebody say he won't mess you up, he won't disgrace you, he won't ridicule you, he won't make you look stupid, na to leave am for God. And once you leave am for God, everything go begin to dey work in your favour. Na im be dis one so. Omo, na now I agree say if God be for you, nobody can be against you. And once women stand for your back, say something dey go wrong and women stand, omo, they are indeed pillars. You see dat promise wey Senator Natasha Akpoti-Oduaghan, wey be senator representing the people of Kogi Central, dat promise wey she make to Regina Daniel, indeed dat woman is a rare gem. When dey say rare gem, her type hard to come by. And she talk am say she go stand even though dem dey for senator together, dem dey for the house together. Say normally dey suppose be colleague wey dey look out for each other. She talk am say no, say Regina never be bad person to her, say she has been a good person, and for that reason she is standing with her during this period. She is not going to let her go until she do what she ought to do, because this thing wey happen to Regina, e can happen to anybody. No be Regina fault 100%. She think say na marry old man make you get peace, but this one e come be say na marry old man make you go inherit spiritual husband. Na im be this one so. Even spiritual husband sef, dem no dey disturb, dem no dey worry reach the way this man take dey worry. My people, una know talk say before now, Regina Daniel na dey appoint her as the social media coordinator of the Senators Wife Association of Nigeria. Una know when she been come out for this media space, come celebrate am, come let us know, talk say it all. She has finally been appointed as one of the Senators Wife Association, as their social media secretary, this one coordinator, and so on and so forth. People celebrate, people jolly with her. So when this incident between she and Ipa happen, when they went their separate ways, she then traveled. As she travel, before she go come back, they be don dey try their best o. Before she even travel, when this whole thing start, the brother wey be Swizzy wey dey for obodo oyibo, e be don compose one or two, also with one or two evidence, send am for their platform, send am for the senator's wife, which is their leader in person of Ekaete Akpabio, wey be the chair lady gangan, the woman leader itself. The brother Swizzy bin send her all the evidence, most of the evidence wey dem get, coupled with one or two write-up saying that Regina is innocent in all of this. Say Ipa na im dey do this, Ipa na im dey do that. So dem bin come gather for meeting, come talk say see evidences dey for ground o. This matter wey dey play like this girl is already our own. And during all the time wey she dey with us, as a social coordinator, secretary wey she be, she has never failed us before. No appointment wey we carry give her, no assignment wey we carry give her wey she no dey do. Now wey she find herself for this kind drama, so we need to stand with her. They come assign one person make e go their meeting on the day wey the senate dem get meeting, dem get sitting. They assign one person go. The person go according to the information allegedly. The person go on behalf of the house, on behalf of the Senators Wife of Association of Nigeria. The person go represent, and they gave the person their words that they are going to look into the matter. Who is going to look into this matter? The Senate President, in person of Godswill Akpabio, say they go all sit down, deliberate on the matter based on saying a family matter, it should have limit. They no go just jump into the matter like that. So, but whatever be the outcome, they will definitely revert and get back to the senator's wife, because they say anything wey touch eye go definitely affect the nose. So according to the senator's wife, say they no go sit down make soap come dey enter their eye. Regina na their own. They no go just allow am make e just slide like that. They need to do something about it wey make dem dey go there. So dem come give dem their word say they go do something, they go do something. Omo, they go do, they go do, they go do sotey dis girl do sotey she travel. So when she now travelled, during that time Ipa don go, allegedly don go block her account wey she dey take receive, because you know say senator's wife dey assign money wey dey pay dem monthly as salary, couple with the fact say she come be their secretary, they appointed her for something. That way she dey get extra sef. Before you know, Ipa go close the account make she no dey fit get anything. She still dey where she dey. As she return back, na im she say tor, since true true na as she marry Ipa wey be senator, na im dey carry appointment of senator's wife give her, come carry dey give her. She start dey go their senator's wife meeting, dey introduce her to am, dey register her, dey accept her, she become their member as a senator's wife. Dey come still look am left look am right say omo she get influence, dey carry social secretary carry give her. So she come reason am say she no dey for the marriage again, and the person wey carry her go the marriage, they don go their separate ways. So what is the essence of she still being the senator's wife when she is no longer married as a senator's wife again? Na she by herself, as she return back, she go meet dem say she dey resign as a senator's wife because she's no longer married to a senator. But if they have any other appointment wey dey outside being a senator's wife wey dem fit give her, no problem. But she no want the one wey be say Ipa go come embarrass her or come disgrace her, because there is nothing wey that man cannot do. But before they go disgrace her, before they go call you names, make you first of all give yourself name, so that by the time they come dey call you, e no go really pain you. Na im she do so. Na im dem come say no, e never reach like that. They still dey try to do one or two. Na im she say no, according to the information, they allege say she say lie say she dey draw whatever position, and as a senator's wife, she's no longer married to the man, so she's dropping everything. Na so she take drop and go. So when Senator Natasha come dey aware say na wetin dey happen be this, Reji don hands up, don comot for the matter, say she no do again because she's not married to the man and she no want disgrace. She no want the one wey Ipa go come publicly disgrace her now. E better make she carry herself comot now before it is too late. So na im Senator Natasha come say tor, what will happen is whatever it is that they will do to bring her back on seat, whatever it is that they will do to pay her for the good that she has done over time, because as she dey with them, she has been a good person, not only respectful, but also she dey carry them like dem. She know say no be her mate, none of her mates wey dey there. So she dey respect them, dey give them due, even though if so say na another person, another pikin, as e be say she's married to a senator, no be say na opportunity carry her go there, she for dey form for them. But she is respectful, and if they give her any assignment, she dey deliver well. Na dem say make dem look for something else wey they go carry give her. And again, make dem open her account anyway wey dem fit do am, or open another account for her even when she is not with them. Make dem still dey pay her so that she go get wetin she go take dey see front. So during that time wey Senator Natasha don tell dem, they say okay, they will work on it. The Godswill Akpabio wife, Ekaete Akpabio too, come say she will talk to her husband concerning the matter. You know say one thing with marriage matter, it has limit. Say Ademi, Ipa and Reji they no marry now, it's a different thing entirely. They go know how to come in every matters. But this one na husband and wife matter. E get as you go take enter am, at the end of the day they go use you settle. So na im makes everybody dey look am somehow. They no want to like involve theirself 100%. So that way, as they say okay they go look into the matter anyhow wey e be, any opportunity wey dem get to bring her in. Na so they say they don appoint Reji again. They don give her another appointment. Make una clear road for the woman with grace. You know say when Mama Regina Daniel come out come talk am say Ipa dey use im pikin destiny, a lot of people dey like which destiny? Which destiny be dat one? Dat her own na destiny like dat so. But people no understand. Why is Ipa going to every event with Regina Daniel? Virtually all the events that time, both political wakama o, normal wakama o, e dey always go with her because he's using her to shine. When the mother talk am, dey say, the mother na lie, she dey lie, make she enter house, make she find place sit down. Which destiny, which star be that one? Dey use im pikin star. Whereas the woman knows what she was saying. Thank God say dem no come temper with her star. Na dat one go pain pass. Thank God say God no be man. Na dat one na im for worse pass. Dey say as we speak right now, is coming from the presidency. No be say na ordinary wey be say Ipa go look for how e go take turn the whole thing upside down. This one is coming from the presidency. From the upper chamber. The president himself of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In as much as say we dey complain say the country no dey really do well, people are crying, people are not happy with the government and all, he still went ahead to favour Regina Daniel. You know say everly e don dey appoint people for so many places. The youths now dey dey for everywhere. E dey appoint them for one thing or the other. Omo na so dey take find way take put Regina Daniel for this very one. Hey, omo, God is indeed a merciful God. If God is for you, nobody can be against you. If God stand for you, nobody can be against you. All thanks to all the women put together wey dey fight for the good cause of Regina Daniel and the country at large. And to Senator Natasha Akpoti-Oduaghan, representing the people of Kogi Central, may God come bless you too. I pray your own no go spoil for standing with Reji during this time wey Ipa bin wan mess her up. I say the thing wey save this lady na that medical test, that druggy test wey she go obodo oyibo go do. Omo, people wey advise her to go do that particular test, omo na good people. They really mean well for her. Because I didn't mean she no do that test. Omo, the man no mind to mess her up big time. But as she don go do that test, e shows and result dey, evidence dey. Couple with the fact say with all the things wey im mention say the girl dey take, on a normal time, as small as she is, by now, she for don run kolo mentus. She for don go gaga. She for don run mental. But because she no really dey take am as im take talk am, na so the whole thing backfire o. My people, God of yesterday, why I dey bring this very matter come up now is for people that want to give up. Say make you no give up for life o. If some people live your life, it is a form of another sign of open doors for you. They say one door closes, another will definitely open. If you believe, it will definitely work for you. Don't give up on yourself o. Don't give up on your dream. Keep pushing. You are almost there. And be this one so. Thank God, Regine never gave up. And to the glory of God, she's heading somewhere. My people, na the matter be this o. Make una come celebrate Reggie for the comment section. I know say Ipa eyes go first blow. I didn't mean it's coming from the Senate. It's a different thing. E go don dey find way wey im go take scatter am. But this one is coming from presidency. No way. If he even do anyhow, say presidency fit comot am for seat, go impeach am by fire by force. So omo, e go first blow for am. How market now, Ipa? So sorry. Oh, I know say you go dey go through a lot now. Only you, they turn you to single father. Only you dey go through the one wey dey go through. Oh, chim. You go feel am like you want to kpai, but you will not kpai. Is that clear? You must not kpai. Is that clear? You must take care of those children. Is that clear? My people, na the matter be this o. Make I softly drop my microphone, go bring another story come for una. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.